Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I currently have some RALENO studio lights that I'm using, but I got another one here. This one here is another softbox light, which should hopefully be even better to use. So I'm going to open this up, and I will aim you down so you can actually watch me open it. And we're going to give this one a try as well. It's not really to replace the other ones. This one here will be a more permanent fixture when I have my more permanent studio. So let's see, I guess these are probably going to be the bulbs. This is what the instructions look like. I think I've done this several times before, so I can probably figure this all out. So here, everything's out of the box. Aim you guys down a little bit. Okay, so let's see what we got in each of these components here. So here is the tripod base. So that will be like, you could put it flat, you know, if you have a big space like that, or you can kind of aim it down depending on what you do. I keep mine kind of like that just because I'm setting up in a kitchen right now. So let's see, and then we can raise it up with these here. So we can go there, and then this one here. So it gets pretty decently high. Oops, that's too high for you guys. You guys can't see it. So there, and then we have the, I'll put it back here so you can see it a little better. This is going to be the umbrella looking thing, so like this. So the way this works is you push it in and then it folds back over that. So you've got that, and then this will rotate. This little one here rotates, so it makes it rotate up and down. So you can kind of lock it into place there. And then this goes through the hole on here to lock it into place. So there, now it's screwed into place there. And I have that. So there we go. So let's see what's in these ones now. So do we get two bulbs? Or is this some other stuff? Oh, this is other stuff. Oh, lenses. Okay. So let's see. So we have our bulb, which is an LED bulb, which is nice. Oh, and it comes with a little hook on it as well, so we'll be able to hook. Can you all see everything? Let's see. I'll aim you guys up a little bit now so we can see it a little better. Oh, I'll stand here. So we can just screw this in as a light bulb would screw in. And then we have our wire. Let me open that up and plug it in. That's cool. It comes with, can you see? It comes with a little Velcro strap around the wire, so it makes it very convenient. And then on the wire itself too, we have a on-off switch, and then we have just a 2-prong plug. So I'm going to plug that plug in here. Okay. Ah, it works. Okay, so now let's get into some of the fun stuff. So we have, this is going to be the cover for it to make it actually soft. It's the soft box. So this will go over, you know, over that. So it makes it a soft light instead of such a glaring bulb light. Let me see. So you see that, so it makes it nice and even. But I'm going to take this off for a second because what we have here are some color filters. So if I wanted to have like a red hue, I would put this, snap this on. Oh, it looks like it's got the white one on there. How do we get this off? Does it come off or does it just go over? That's one thing I'm not sure of. It looks like it's just a replacement one, so probably got to take it off. Let me unscrew it for a second. I'll figure out how to get this cover off. Oh, it just slides right off. So it slides off and then you have the little lights visible. So, and then I can just put this one on. Yeah, it just slides on and off. There we go. Pretty easy. And so we could have a red softbox if we wanted to. That's cool. There we go. So then that'll look like that. And then if we put the white cover on it, it'll be, you know, red, right? And then we have a blue one as well. So that, now I can just take it off. There. Ooh, that's bright. That's holy mackerel. So then we have a blue color, And the blue, it's kind of a nice hue. It's kind of like, I usually like that. I like that blue stuff when I'm doing some of my videos. If you've seen some of my videos, you'll see they have a blue hint to them. I'm gonna turn this off while I do this next one. Got blinded by that first one. Okay, and then we have the yellow, which is very bright as well. So if you wanted a softer hue, you could have the yellow. So if I put that here up and shine at me, you see it's yellow. So that's really cool. So it's a nice soft box here. And let's see what else it comes with. So we have the little bag that held the tripod. I think that's what was in there. And then we have a bag to hold the whole set. So everything will fold up and fit into this bag so we can hold that as well. So that's everything it comes with. Here's the instructions here. It came with instructions as well if you need that. But for the most part, I think I showed you how it all works. So we are good to go. Thumbs up from me.